How long did it take you to realize that doing skincare or achieving a glowing skin is not just about the skincare products that you use, but how you use those skincare products? Well, in this video, I am going to be sharing with you some unknown skincare tips that I just discovered so that you can know where exactly you're getting it wrong and where you're getting it right when it comes to this skincare thing. Because, my darling, no man is an island. Now, if you would like to find out all of these tips that I have just discovered, then please stay watching this video to the end. Do not skip any part at all. Please hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am filming from Abuja, Nigeria. Now, I know that one of the most common or most popular things that we are told whenever you want to wash your face or cleanse your face is that you should wet your face first and then you go in with your face wash or your face soap or your face gel, whatever it is that you're using to cleanse your face. But here, my darling, you do not need to wet your face first before cleansing. And I will tell you why. But before I do that, I want you to look at the scenario of where you have your micellar water that you want to use to wipe your face, to take off your makeup or to just clean the dirt generally. What is the first thing that you do? You take out the cotton pad, you wet it with your micellar water or cleanser, and then you go immediately to wipe your face. You do not go to wet your face first, and you can see the ton of dirt, okay, and makeup that comes off when you cleanse your face using your micellar water. Now, same goes for when you want to use your face wash or your face soap or your face bar soaps, okay? You do not need to wet your face. Now, instead of wetting your face first before cleansing, just lather your face wash or your face bar in your hands, get enough lather on them, and immediately use it to massage your face in circular motions up, down, and around your neck as well for at least 60 seconds before you rinse off. You can go in again and repeat that process if you have used heavy makeup on your face during the day. Doing this is going to actually help that dirt on your skin to actually adhere to the soap more easily and to wash off your skin immediately. Now, secondly, if you have been using a skincare product and it is not working for you, or you assume it's not working for you, before you conclude that it is a fake product or it is not just meant for you at all, make sure that you combine it with another product. Yes, most of the times our skincare products need to be paired with something else in order for them to work properly. There are times when you need to combine your salicylic acid and your niacinamide together in order for it to actually work. There are times when you have to combine your retinol serum with your niacinamide or your salicylic acid before it can actually work, or you can actually get the results that you want from that particular skincare product. And number three, I know that it is very easy for some of us to have low self-esteem, especially when you wake up in the morning and you look at your face, you see that you have breakout, or you look into the mirror and you see the hyperpigmentations when you're staring into your face. When you see all those imperfections on your face, you become less confident of yourself. When people even compliment you based on how you look or your appearance generally, within you, you have this self that like, is it that you cannot see all these people on my face? Is it that you cannot see all these hyperpigmentations or all these sunburns or all these dark eye circles? My darlings, here is what you can do. I want you to look at the mirror, and now don't stand very close to your mirror. A mirror that gets your full length. Step back at least an arm's length away from your mirror. You can stretch your hand like this to know the distance between yourself and your mirror, and then look at yourself from head to toe. Look at those imperfections, and honestly, this time, even aside skincare, look at those imperfections. If you can barely notice those imperfections when you are standing at arm's length away from your mirror, then my darlings, you have nothing to worry about. Go about your day, live your life, take care of your skin, use your skincare products, take care of yourself by all means, because no other person will notice, except of course they come very close to you. And honestly, in most cases, even when they come in close contact with you, they probably would not even realize that you have those imperfections, except you directly or indirectly point it out to them. Now, let me tell you something, my friend. You know your besties, and I cannot hold the truth from you. If you are an OG on this channel, by now you should know that I always say that one skincare product that we should always have in your house, okay, is a Vaseline. If you're prone to having, wrinkles or dark eye circles, maybe as a result of makeup, as a result of stress, or as a result of sunburn, whatever is the reason why you experience wrinkles or dark eye circles, what you want to do is at night after taking your shower, even if you're not taking your bath, because let's say the truth, there are days when you go to bed without actually going into that bathroom to take your bath, okay, but just make sure that as soon as you're about to go to bed, take a little of those Vaseline and slow it underneath your eyes, you guys, underneath this place like this. Just apply it here and here go to bed, and by the time you're waking up the next morning, you'll be waking up to a smooth, clear skin without any wrinkles or dark circles. And now I know that so many of us have been told that to make your skin glow, to make your skin brighter, or to combat dull skin, that you should use vitamin C serums. But honestly, did you know that using vitamin C supplements, yes, actually works faster and even better, and even has a lot more long-term benefits? See, when you begin to use vitamin C supplements, especially from 1000 milligram, I'm not talking about going to buy vitamin C, those tablets one, those one in tablet form. Okay, we call it counting, vitamin C counting, where you have the vitamin C white and the vitamin C red or orange. Okay, no, I'm talking about 1000 milligram vitamin C's, whether the one that comes in sachets or the ones that comes in a cup that you now dissolve in water before you take. Having these vitamin C supplements once every day is going to clear your skin from inside out. Your skin will be glowing. It is going to take care of literally 70 to 80% of your skincare concerns and imperfections from your head down to your toes. So go and get yourself a vitamin C supplement. Now, you see this particular one I'm about to share with you. I've actually talked about something similar in some of my previous videos where I also talked about, lifestyle habits that are making your acne to keep coming back or reoccurring every single time. And honestly, I think I actually need to go and watch that video again for myself. Okay, you guys, did you know that carrying a microfiber, okay, this small hanky or small towel that comes in a glass casing, especially for those who use medicated glasses, which you're supposed to use to wipe your glasses, yes, go and buy it, a separate one for your phone. After every 1 hour or 30 minutes or 2 hours of answering a call or just leaving your phone to lay around, please use it to wipe the surface of your phone. You're going to see all the dirt and germs that you transfer to your face. And honestly, the phone is one of the top places that transfer bacteria, dirt, and germs into our face that leads to clogged pores, pimples, and is also the genesis of other skincare concerns that you might begin to have. And last but not the least, my darlings, if you know you have an oily skin or an acne prone skin like myself, it will be better or more suitable for you to actually go for niacinamide serums. So instead of going to buy vitamin C serums, use niacinamide serums. They actually do the same thing, okay? They are also antioxidants that will also help to clear discoloration on your face. They will brighten your skin complexion, make your skin plump. It will also improve the elasticity of your skin and tighten your open pores a bit so that you do not break out as much, and it will also reduce the excessive production of sebum or oil on your face. Using vitamin C serums on your face as someone who has an acne prone skin is only going to be doing more damage to your skin than good. Vitamin C will only further irritate your skin and worsen your breakout or your acne, and in the long time will also break down your skin barrier. So vitamin C serums are best for people who have dry skin, who have normal skin, who have combination skin, who have sensitive skin to an extent, maybe dry sensitive skin. But if you have an oily skin, an oily sensitive skin, if you have an acne prone skin or an acne prone sensitive skin, then opting for niacinamide serums is going to be a better option, especially if you're just starting out on your skincare journey. And that, my darlings, brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section below. Are there skincare tips that you know or you found out on the internet or anywhere else that has been helping you? It could even be DIY skincare tips. Please share them in the comment section below. I'll be waiting to read all of them with you guys, and of course even try some of them out. Okay. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end, till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you, baby. Bye.